how to fix there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. Welcome everybody. If you get the notification that says there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later while trying to install Windows updates, this is the fix for that. Left click on the search bar and search for troubleshoot. Best match will come up with troubleshoot settings. In here, you want to go to other troubleshooters at the bottom. And now you want to locate the Windows Update one and run the troubleshooter, detecting problems, checking for pending restart, and all these things. Now once this runs through and finds any problems that are connected to your update problems or installing update problems, it will tell you, and then you can go through with what the troubleshooter tells you to do. Now we'll wait till the diagnostic is done. As you can see, this is a problem. Now, I don't want to fix this. So the second option would be to click the search bar again and search for command prompt. Now, this for some reason is still in German, but this is the command prompt app. It looks like this. What you want to do is right click it and then run as administrator. In here, you want to enter sfc spacebar /scan now. Press enter, and as you can see, beginning system scan. This process might take some time. Now you wait until the verification is completed. Once it's done, you want to go ahead and restart your PC, and then you can go ahead and install the updates that had problems prior. I hope this video could help you out in fixing there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. Please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.